Hi, that's it, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. Let's open first the settings and then tap to wallpaper and style. Click to change wallpapers, and here you could use photos from the default ones from your device gallery or downloaded from the internet. The different default photos. Also, you could use the wallpaper services to use the online wallpapers, but to use them be sure that you connect it to the mobile data or to the internet, to the Wi-Fi, or just select one from the available wallpapers. Unselect home screen if you want to set wallpaper on to the lock screen. Tap to next. Click to done. With changes applied to lock screen, let's just lock to check the changes, and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, yet one more way how we could do that: just hold for a while home screen with your finger and tap to wallpaper and style. By the same way, click to change wallpapers, select one from the available wallpapers, unselect home screen to set the wallpaper on to the lock screen, tap to next, click to done, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.